Aren't you lot ever give me a break? Who's he driving that?
Me.
What's this come from now all of a sudden? Jay, you didn't like it to do that. There's a lot of sugar in that. I probably wouldn't have in there. This time tastes very cheesy, just do the chili.
Why didn't you make your own?
Oh, come on.
If you could make them a freezer. Make up a big batch.
Because I'd rather chip shopping when you do
Because you
this.
bought to make them.
If I'm going to have a restaurant, I'd rather have chips and shop with it.
I can make yours sometimes.
I like the cheese ones and I like that's not.
There's a potato in there too. Why didn't you just have your cheese in it without the potato?